Here's my poll on assistive technology. All I did was go to Google Forms and created a Google form and inserted all these questions. You can make them multiple choice or short answer, as you can see. And then looking at my data, you can tell that people are having a bit of an issue with all of these questions. None of them are 100% correct, but that's okay. They don't really know much about assistive technology, but here you can see all the results, who answered what. So 20% answered organization and memory, and then 80% here answered all of the above. And that is how you can see all the data and how well people are doing on these certain topics.